How to change passport number on Air Transat. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change passport number on Air Transat. So, how do you do it? Let's go. The first step is to log in into your Air Transat account, just like I've done here. Then the next step would be for you to navigate to manage my booking page, which is located just below the picture display where you see package, car, online check-in, manage my booking. Once you see it, click on it. Once you're on the manage my booking page, you'll see different options that you can carry out. Then scroll down and enter in your first name, your last name, your confirmation number, your departure date. Ensure that the details you're entering in is the same as the one that you used while booking the flight, and then click on continue. So once you click on continue, you'll be taken to the flight details page. On this page, look for the option for you to update your passport number, then click on it. After that, follow the prompts to enter the new number, review, and confirm your changes. Now, you must note that you can easily change your passport details without a fee, and so you can do that. But then if you want to change your passport number after checking in, you cannot do it directly here. You'd have to contact the customer support. And how do you do so? Go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see the icon contact us. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the help and contact page. On this page, you can see different options. Scroll down until you can see the chat with us icon in order to chat directly. By moving to the bottom right corner as well, you can see a chat with us button that allows you to chat directly with a that directs you to the messenger account, and then from there you can chat with the customer support, or you can even make a call by contacting on phone. Okay, and that is it. So this is how you can change your passport number on your account. All right, so go ahead and do that. Thank you for watching and have a good day.